switch, and then right there. And then there's our strobe. No, there. No, we all have a button. Which I did. Serve as a signal source. Where do we set it? Where do we set it? My code on this one is 498. It's going to connect. This one is connected to the strobe. They're on our table. Those are device connected. Right there. I have also my notebook, which will only have to download a piece. Right there, it will say no fire. It's not connected, now it's wired. And it's not wired. This one will, this is also, this one is going to be connected. This one is going to be connected to our main control panel. It's connected to the main control panel. This is our fire alarm control. What? No! Hey, kick. Yes, kick. This is our board, I guess. So this is our main control panel. This is our federal signal. D strobe. This is like a D strobe. Out here, here's your audio thing on the reset switch. No. Fire. I don't say no fire. Oh, it's don't read. Don't write. There are no fire. Currently. This is our fingernail screen. Red marks fire. rewire it. The thing will be wired into it. This thing will be wired in. A to B. This thing is connected to the station. After let's push. Wait, there's a fire. So wait. 4, 9, 4, 9, 8. Check. Wait, no, it's reset the panel. This is our reset button. So that's a signal source. And here, this is our reset button. Let's push reset. And there, thank you guys for watching this detail video. Like and subscribe to my channel called Windows, and see you guys later for next test. So bye.